I didn't expect it was going to be this quick.
This is Claire Martinson. I just helped Claire, not even what? It has
2 weeks.
like 2 weeks ago. And we set up everything for her 1-year-old daughter, Ava, who is so gorgeous. And she set up her acting accounts, her work permit, you have to do the Coogan Trust account
The
next.
Coogan. Yeah.
Yeah. And she already booked her first job, a commercial job. So
Yeah. But what should I expect when I get there?
let's just say they say come at 2. I would advise for you to go at like 1:30, like get
Okay.
there at 1:30. Not for them, for you, for Ava.
They just asked me to send in a video, and I sent that in last night. And this morning, they responded back, we love her. We want her here. So they're like, yeah, let's do this. They asked me a bunch of questions like, are you free that day? And I was like, yes. Do you have a permit? Yes, I do. Are you okay with the rate? And I was like, yes, I'm okay with the rate. Like, I read the thing. It's a Himalayan wellness, and it's a cream, like a mom putting the cream on the baby.